Today, I become employed. Today, I join corporate.
Today, you become humble.
Lebo, rent. Today, I have an interview. After interview, rent. If you lie to me, I change Wi-Fi password to pay rent 123.
This is what politicians do. Relax. And if the audio delays?
Lebo,
ESCOM must respect interviews. This is my router.
this is my reality. This is South Africa. People from different backgrounds, different languages, one small space, one problem, and everybody shouting, but we're still solving.
He's right, shame.
Yes!
Yes.
We are employed adjacent.
Okay, now pay.